Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Karika. For all of you that do not know, I never introduced myself. I don't know why, but if you didn't know, my name is Karika, and again, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what we received in the Boxy charm for the month of May. The products that I have, well, some of the products that I have on is the items that we received. So if you guys would like to see what we received, then please keep on watching. So today I came home and voila, another Boxy charm has been delivered. So you guys know how these videos work. I'm going to show you guys what I received in my box, go over the product, how much it costs, try the product on, same old, same old. So let's go ahead and see what we received for my Boxy charm for the month of May. When I open it up, I got this card, Make Waves, and on the back it has the product and how much each product costs. So the first thing that we received is this Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. First of all, I just want to say that I'm really excited about this. I've never used Glam Glow. They're hella expensive, but this sounds like fun. A deep, what does it say? Gentle bubble. That sounds like fun. So basically this is just a daily conditioner gel cleanser, gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. This product retails for $28. And the packaging is really cute. Let me just open it up to see. Okay, so it's just like the same thing. It comes in this tube. And I'm really excited to use this to take off my makeup. Next we received, it says Eye Luster Creme Eyeshadow by Ciate London. Let's see exactly what this is, because I do not see it. Oh, here it is. Your Ciate London's Eye Luster will help you create long-lasting, shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic, glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. So this product retails for $22. And let me go ahead and open it up. And this is the shade that I got. It's like this purpley holographic shade. I received like the holographic liquid, I think it was like a lip gloss. I'm not into this, so I'm probably not going to use this because that's just not my thing. But yeah. Next we received this Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick. I've never ever used Dose of Colors products. I've heard really good things about them, especially their lipsticks and liquid lipsticks. So this shade is Talk is Chic, and it looks like a mauvey dusty rose shade. Let's see. Yeah. So this is really pretty, and I'm really excited to use this as well. This liquid lipstick retails for $18. Next we received this Mellow Brow Definer. This says it's the non-greasy, easy glide formula, and your new Mellow Cosmetics Brow Definer Brow Pencil is about to revolutionize your brow game. The triangular tip makes for easy hair-like strokes, and the long-lasting formula ensures your brows won't budge. This product is $18. I didn't know that we were going to receive a brow product in this month's box, so I can't use this because I already have my brows on. But I will open it so I can see what it's looking like for you guys. Okay, so this is how it looks. And I'm just going to wand it up. I don't know why it's not coming up. Okay, is there anything in it? Like, am I doing so? Okay, there we go. Okay, that was weird. Oh, wait. I don't know, that was weird, but this is how it looks. And let me see how it looks in the back of my hand. This may be a good match for my brows. I'm not sure, maybe a little bit too light. The shade is chocolate. If they had a dark chocolate, I would probably prefer that. But I will definitely try this out sometime, but it will not be in this video. Sorry. So the last thing that we received in this box is the Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. And this is how it looks. This is really pretty. These are some really pretty blushes. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be trying that because as you guys know, that's my new thing is blush. Let me swatch these blushes for you guys as well. All right, so these are the blush shades. This one is the one that's really talking to me. We're definitely gonna be using this in the video. So for this month's box, we did not receive an eyeshadow palette. I don't know how I feel about it. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mention that this blush trio is $22. So, like I said, we did not receive an eyeshadow palette in this box, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'll do like an eye look using a palette that I already have, obviously, because I don't know what else I would do. So yeah, let's go ahead and move on to the eyeshadow portion of this video. I just primed my eyes with some concealer. I cannot find my eyeshadow primer anywhere, so I'm pretty sure it's somewhere right in my face, but I gave up looking for it. So I went ahead and used some concealer to prime my eyelids. Just gonna blend this out. I think I'm gonna do some kind of matte eye look. I'm not in the mood for any shimmer. I'm really not in the mood to do a lot anyway. I'm actually gonna be going out to the casino for my friend's birthday. So I'm not trying to be out there looking too much. So I'll just do like a little something. So the palette that I'm going to use is the question. What palette do I want to use? I really love this palette, this Ace Beauty Grandiose palette. I don't know what it is, but I love this palette. It's just so pretty. Like, I love these kind of shades. So I want to use something out of this palette. I don't know what I want to do. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just use this palette. I'm just going to, like I said, I'm going to do a very, very basic look. This eyeshadow look is not going to be anything special, so I do apologize in advance if you guys are looking for something out of the ordinary, but it won't be in this video. So to start off, I'm going to take the shade Cinnamon, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade. I love the shades so much. Like, I love this. I just love this palette, period. Like I said, I don't know what it is, but I just love it. I'm just taking this Morphe E27 brush. I'm sorry I did not mention it. And I'm just applying this back and forth as my transition shade. And just a nice tip, when you're doing any kind of eyeshadow, depending on how you hold your brush, that's how you're going to apply the shadow. So if I was holding the brush at the tip, it's going to come off very, very harsh because, you know, I'm holding it right here. But if you hold it towards like the bottom of the brush, you have more control. Well, you don't have that much control. It's just a nice soft touch, and it just allows you to blend very nice and smoothly. Just a tip. So if you're one of these people that hold your brush way up here to do this, 9 times out of 10 it's gonna come off pretty harsh. Next, I'm gonna switch over to a Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to take the shade Poppy, which is this darker burgundy shade, and I'm going to apply that in my crease. I'm going to apply this shade very lightly because I don't want it to be too dark. So just a little taps and we'll build up from there. And I'm just going to be applying this shadow. I'm using circular motions on the outer corner. And then once I get to the inner corner, I'm just sweeping back and forth. For my lid, I'm going to take this really, really light, I don't even know how to describe this shade. I'm going to apply this on my lid. Like I said, I'm keeping it really simple today. I wonder if I should do, let's see how it looks without nothing on my lid as a base. I'm just using really any brush to apply this shadow. Okay guys, so that's basically going to be it for the eyes. So then we're going to go ahead and move into the face, but I am going to speed up this part of the video. I'm using the same products, my NYX foundation, my NYX concealer, my Maybelline concealer to contour, my True Radiance, Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette. You know, same old, same old. So this part I'm just going to go ahead and speed it up. If you guys are interested, today I'm going to use my primer. I'm using the Cover FX blurring primer. Okay, so for the blush, I'm going to go and use, this shade is called Toasted. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, that's very, very pigmented. So, you definitely want to be careful. I went too hard on the blush. But it's still pretty. So I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. And for highlight, I'm going to be taking my Laura Geller highlighter. And actually, yeah, let's go ahead. This is the shade Gilded Honey. This blush with this highlighter is just so pretty. Cupid's bow. Next, I'm going to apply a thin layer of gel liner on the top part of my eye. So just a little black liner on top. This thin line turned into a thick line. I hate when that happens. So it's like I can't start over, I just gotta keep it going. Wow, she's thick, thick. Thick, thick. And I know that this one's not gonna come out as thick. So I'm not even going to force it. We're just gonna take what we got and keep it moving. Who has time to stress about gel liner? For the under eye, I'm just going to, I'm gonna go ahead and just take this same brush. I don't know if I've had anything in here. I'm just gonna mix cinnamon and poppy, and that'll be my shade for my under eye. I'm going to apply some mascara to my top and bottom lashes to prep for false lashes. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, we're gonna move on to the lips. So first, let me swatch this liquid lip for you guys. Oh, it's definitely not the color that I thought that it would be. This is the shade, that's the shade of the liquid lip. It's pretty. I thought I was gonna need a lip liner, but I definitely will not need a lip liner for this. I really would not want to use this color with this look, but I said that I would use it for the video. So let's go ahead. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below some pink hearts in the comment section so that I know that you watched this video. And as always, thank you guys so much for your support, and I will see you in the next one.